प्रकृति की गोद में बसा हुआ, इतिहास की दास्ताएं समेटे हुए, हरियाली से घिरा हुआ, झीलों को अपना घर बताता है। पुराने किले, मंदिर और महल इस शहर की पहचान है। भोपाल का ये शहर अपने आप में ही एक खूबसूरत रहस्य है। भोपाल, holding stories of its rich and cultured history, is nestled in the lap of nature and creating music with time. The city of Bhopal was founded by Raja Bhoj in the 11th century. It was a small village then, nurtured by forests and lakes, which later on became an Islamic state under the rule of Dost Muhammad Khan, an Afghan adventurer. The city gained its true inheritance under his rule. The cultural heritage, natural beauty and historical monuments of Bhopal attracts the tourists from all around the world. Tajul Masajid, one of the largest mosques in Asia, was built in the 19th century, is a site of history for the visitors.
यह मस्जिद की नींव रखवाई थी सुल्तान शाहजहां बेगम ने, जो कि भोपाल की शासक थी सन 1871 में। यह मस्जिद 1901 में बनकर तैयार हुई, जिसे पूरा करवाया था सुल्तान कायसुखराव बेगम ने। यह मस्जिद को मुगलियाई तरीके से डिजाइन किया गया है, जिसमें तुर्की, फारसी और अरबी आर्किटेक्चर का इस्तेमाल किया गया है। यहाँ एक साथ 1,75,000 से ज्यादा लोग बैठकर नमाज पढ़ सकते हैं।
The masjid, famously known as the Pearl Mosque due to its beautiful marble work, was built in 1960s by Sikandar Begum. It was designed by a French architect with a blend of Islamic and European styles. It features intricate marble work, ornate carvings, and beautiful calligraphy. Lakes of Bhopal are considered as a purifier of the individuals of the city. Let's hear about the significance and history of these soul bearers.
अपर लेक, जिसे बड़े तालाब के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, यह भारत का सबसे पुराना मानव निर्मित तालाब है। इसे राजा भोज ने 11वीं शताब्दी में बनवाया था। मुगल शासकों ने इसकी खूबसूरती की बहुत तारीफ की थी। इस तालाब का सांस्कृतिक और धार्मिक महत्व भी है। यह तालाब कई मंदिरों और मस्जिदों से घिरा हुआ है। यह मानव रचित तालाब अनेक जल जीवों का घर है।
No shortage of pilgrimage sites in Bhopal. The place is blessed with presence of plenty of temples. Let's take a look at the symbol of spiritual and cultural heritage of Bhopal, which is Birla Mandir.
This temple is also known as Lakshmi Narayan Temple. Was built in 1964 by Birla family. This temple is dedicated to Lord Lakshmi Narayan. The complex includes museum, library and auditorium. The idol of Lakshmi Narayan is made up of white marble. The temple design is inspired by old Khajuraho temples.
Let's now take a look at one of the most prominent and mysterious monument of Bhopal, the Rani Kamlapati Fort.
The fort of Rani Kamlapati, also known as Kamlapari Mahal, which was built in 18th century by Rani Kamlapati, the born queen of Nizam Shah's dynasty. It is built on the banks of Upper Lake, and on current day, 3 floors of this fort are under the water. The fort depicts the historical heritage of Khan dynasty and Begums of Bhopal. As after Rani Kamlapati, the fort was expanded by the Begums. It is believed that the fort is haunted by the ghost of Rani Kamlapati, making it is a mystery.
Bhopal is home to such ancient history and facts. The city can make you fond with its humble people and will embrace you with its beautiful natural scenes and scrumptious cuisines. I am sure the name Bhopal will have climbed up in your wish list of places to visit.